Okay, here's a view of the spark plugs taken out of the Model AA truck. Okay, just installed a new battery, 6-volt battery. That's down here. Take a look, all nice and fresh. There's a mounting bracket I still have to install, but that's next. And then after that, we're going to see if we have any spark. Okay, now with the new battery installed, I want to see if it turns over. So I'm going to push the starter switch here and see what happens. It is in neutral and the key is off. Ah, success. Alright, I wanted to double check the points, so I stuck a file in there just to clean them out. Those points are right in here. They're a little corroded, but I was able to clean them. The continuity is good, so when they close, there's a closed circuit which supplies the voltage up to, actually opens the circuit so the spark comes out of the coil. So that's where we're at. Next is to put the check for spark. That's what we're going to do. Okay, the key is on. I'm going to check to see if I have any spark coming out of the coil. Perfect. Hopefully you're able to see the sparks come out of there, so that's good news. I'll put the spark plugs back in, the distributor cap back together, and go on to the next step. Okay, we're going to try to start it up. Let's see if it fires up. Alright, we're trying to fire it up again. Okay, let's give it a shot.